आई इनोवेटिव इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा प्राउड माइलस्टोन। जी हाँ, पहले इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी यहाँ पर हो चुकी है सीबीएसई एफिलिएशन के बाद। 2026-27 का जो बैच आया है वो सीबीएसई एफिलिएट हो चुका है और एफिलिएशन नंबर जो आ रहा है 831731। और आपको बता देंगे फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी जो आई है सीबीएसई एफिलिएशन के बाद बच्चों में और जो है कॉन्फिडेंस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और फ्यूचर रेडी लीडर्स बनाने की तैयारी स्कूल मैनेजमेंट ने की है। उन्होंने इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल नीता पुरोहित मैम को वेलकम किया कैम्ब्रिज सीबीएसई स्कूल एज चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर। उन्होंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर किया, अपने इंटरेक्शंस किए और स्टूडेंट्स को बताया कि ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको किस तरह से वर्क करना है, किस तरह से टीम वर्क करना है। उन्होंने सभी हेड बॉय, हेड गर्ल, हाउस कैप्टन्स और सभी स्टूडेंट लीडर्स को बताया कि लीडरशिप क्या होती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है, डिसिप्लिन, टीम वर्क, ह्यूमिलिटी, ये सारी चीजें उन्होंने बताई। उसके बाद लीडरशिप और ओथ सेरेमनी में प्रेसिडेंट एंड फाउंडर इंजीनियर जमीर अहमद BE-M.Tech ने सभी स्टूडेंट्स को एड्रेस करते हुए कहा कि आप सबके अंदर फ्यूचर लीडर्स बनने की कैपेसिटी है और उससे पहले आपको बनना है रेस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन। सभी लोगों को सैशेस और हाउस फ्लैग्स दिए गए, हाउस कैप्टन्स को, और लीडरशिप ओथ भी यहाँ पर दी गई है। सभी टीचर्स एंड स्टाफ मेंबर्स बहुत ही एंथुसियास्टिक थे और उन्होंने अपने कमिटमेंट को कंटिन्यू करने की बात की है और ये इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी एक ग्रैंड सक्सेस हुई है। इस मौके पे जनाब जमीर अहमद साहब ने आए हुए चीफ गेस्ट, पेरेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर, स्टाफ को अपने दिल की अमीर गहराइयों से मुबारकबाद दी है। और आई इनोवेटिव इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बिलीव करता है कि लीडरशिप इज नॉट अबाउट पोजीशन, इट्स अबाउट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कोलैबोरेशन, सर्विस एंड इंस्पायरिंग अदर्स। एडमिशंस और इंक्वायरीज के लिए कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर आए नंबर्स पर।
It is my privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you, the honorable chief guest, the esteemed dignitaries, the respected principal, respected teachers, and last but not least, all my dear friends. Today we gather here for to celebrate one of the most significant occasion of the school calendar, the investiture ceremony. This ceremony is not just about showing badges and sashes. It is about taking responsibility, nurturing leadership, and inspiring young mind to lead with compassion, integrity, and confidence.
Today we are celebrating the investiture ceremony. And investiture ceremony is very important for our school because on this day, student leaders are given badges and responsibilities. It teaches us about leadership, discipline and teamwork. The students who are chosen promise to be a good role models and to help their classmates and teachers. Having our President Mr. Zamir Ahmad sir and our chief guest makes this occasion even more special. Your presence inspires us to work hard and become responsible leaders. Thank you.
I will always uphold the honor of my school. I will perform my duties honestly and responsibly. I will respect my teachers, parents, and fellow students. discipline. I will lead by example. And follow the rules of my school. I will and success of my school. I promise to do my best.
Honorable Chief Guest, teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm good afternoon to all of you. I am Mohammed Maaz from grade 10th. It's a great honor and privilege to stand before you as the head boy of our school. I sincerely thank our principal, teachers, and my fellow students for placing their trust in me. Today I do not see this badge as a symbol of power, but as a symbol of responsibility, integrity, and service. Leadership is not about being ahead of others. It's about inspiring others, encouraging others, and listening to every voice and leading by example. I promise to uphold the values of our school, maintain discipline, encourage teamwork, and support every student with honesty and respect, together with my fellow leaders.
I'm truly grateful and honored to be entrusted with the responsibility of serving as your head girl. This badge reminds me that the true leadership comes with dedication, humility, and compassion. I promise to carry out all my duties with sincerity, fairness, and confidence.
Today, I feel very honored to stand here as Deputy Head Boy of our school. As Deputy Head Boy, my job is to help our head boy, support teachers, and be a good example for all students. I will try my best to be honest, hardworking, and helpful. Together, let's make our school proud. Thank you.
To invite our chief guest, Madam Mrs. Neeta Purohit, ma'am, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. No Josh. Good afternoon. That's better. I think all are hungry. Yes. They are very honest and telling it they are all. I know this is the most boring part of any function, isn't it? Yes, ma'am. So very honest. Good. See this, yeah, but still we have to follow the protocol. Yes. It's when I'm observing everyone here and the way every leader spoke, I'm really very, very happy, and just to see you have chosen the right leaders. So I hope they are going to do the work best and make the school proud. And you are the bridge between the teachers, the management, and the students. So you should find out what are the problems and what we can take it to our management and how it can be solved. See, you are also the part of it. You should be ready to think from both the side, from the student side and the management side. Is it worth enough to recommend me this part, whatever the recommendations given by the students? So the name itself of the school is innovative. So, and last year, sir, I think once sir also was telling the students are really very much innovative, and I just pray the God that you will get many more awards like last time you got for Inspire, and all the students do your duty well and be the true leaders.
Rabbi Shahri Sadri, Waisir Li Amri, Wahalal Uqdatam Min Lisani Yafqahi Qawli. Respected Principal Ma'am, Neeta Purohit Ma'am, we have heard about her experiences. First of all, I would like to thank Madam. When I invited her, though she had a couple of things which was not going well in her family, but she accepted to come to this program. I am truly, wholeheartedly thankful for coming to this school and motivating our students to be the best leaders. And also, I would like to commit, we want to have these children to be going forward the future leaders, going forward to the best personalities in their life, and they can serve to our nation, which is a great nation, India. And I would like to thank wholeheartedly to all the staff where they have taken a great efforts to make this program successful, and also other staff members whom they have tirelessly worked to make this program wonderful. And also I would like to thank all the teachers, teaching, non-teaching, and other supporting members. And let me tell you one thing, when we have started our state board school way back in 2009, I was watching and observing the great things that is being implemented by ma'am in Cambridge School, where today it stands one of the best and top school in terms of quality of education, nurturing great minds, and on her leadership role, she has been really done great things, and I would like to wish and I would like to thank her